this piece of metal and I'm going to trim it so that this all fits real nice and flush with the wing there. And this will be the fairing for the wing. To get it trimmed down to there. I guess my vert bed would fit along there pretty nice. I've thought about building this for before your mother and I got married. And it just came a reality, or started coming a reality about 10 years ago. So hopefully this year will be the year it gets done. Working, building airplanes through my father. He was an instructor during World War II and continued on with this flying as long as I can remember him. When I was 5 years old, my father had an airplane. He sold it then, shortly after that, and then bought another one when I was 14. And I have been interested in flying with airplanes my whole life now.
Did you ever want to fly planes for a job or anything?
Oh, at one time I did. But I never pursued it. It's more of a hobby, I'd say. This is pretty much, this one's done. This one, just some wiring I have left to do, a little bit of wiring, and pretty much same thing on this, just these two are wiring. Learned to fly when I was 15, soloed when I was 16. Got my private pilot's license when I was 7. Oh, I'd say the satisfaction of doing something like this, and I just enjoy doing this type of work.
How many planes have you made?
This will be the third one. That's getting close. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty close.